hearts with stories to send. Shimmering scales in a world so wide, glide like dreams through the ocean tide. They're happy, they're glowing, they're tiny worlds forever flowing. Beautiful souls in a sea of calm, swimming in peace like a healing balm. One little fish swimming all alone hears the raindrops in a gentle tone. But then comes two, and then comes more, smiles like sunlight through an open door. Bubbles rise, the reef awakes, in every flicker a heart that aches. To be seen, to belong, to play and to love. Coral cities and seaweed streets, fish find joy in every meet. Their eyes so bright, their colors bold, every fin stroke a story told. They're happy, they're shining, in liquid love perfectly aligning. Tails that dance to the rhythm of rain, hearts like oceans free from pain. Look at them now, all swimming as one, under the clouds, under the sun. They don't need words, just gentle flow, to say I see you and let it show. Why not have fish your side, in a quiet tank where calm can hide? They're not just pets, they're little guides, to teach you love from deep inside. Loop and spin, a little twirl, every fish a dancing pearl, hiding in rocks, peeking from caves, waving their fins with watery waves. So happy, so true, in every color a piece of you. Watching them glow, it's easy to see how beautiful simple love can be. Ear extend with ambient melodies, gentle plucks, rain sound, echoing hats add light, vocal hums or us. How beautiful love. Night drifts in, but the fish still gleam like living stars in a dreamer's dream. Side by side in the quiet deep, lulled by the current, rock to sleep. They're happy, they shine, and maybe someday so will mine. A home with fish, calm and kind, a little escape, a little rewind. If the world gets heavy and you've had enough, get a fish, watch it swim, and remember you two are full of love. Fish aren't just decorations, they're peace in motion, love in silence. Let them swim into your life. Adopt, care, connect.